Topic: Plants in the surroundings. Let's start with a chapter: Plants in the surroundings. Plants are one of the most important living things. They provide us with food and with oxygen to breathe. It is necessary to know about plants and how we should take care of them. Parts of a plant: structure and function. A plant has two main parts: the root and the shoot. In the image, you can see the part below the ground is called the root. Flower, bud, leaf, fruit, stem, and the root. So, what is root? The part of a plant that grows below the ground is called the root. What is shoot? The part of a plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. It includes the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let us learn more about the different parts of a plant and their functions. So, in the image is of a function of different parts of a plant. So, first is fruit. Most fruits contain seeds. A fruit may have one, few, or many seeds. Mango has only one seed. Apple and orange have a few seeds. Papaya, tomato, and watermelon have many seeds. Leaf. Leaves differ in shape and size. They are generally green in color. The food for the plant is prepared inside leaves in the presence of sunlight, air, and water. Flower. Flower forms the fruit. Stem. Stem gives support to the plant. It carries water and food to all the other parts of the plant. What is root? Root fix the plant to the soil. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. Root. Root is the part of the plant that usually grow below the ground. There are two main type of roots: taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. The taproot is the main root that grows into the soil from the base of the stem. Many smaller roots grow out of it. Plants such as radish, carrot, sunflower, and mango have taproots. Fibrous root. Fibrous roots are a bunch of thin and bushy roots that grow together in the soil from the base of the stem. Plants such as wheat, rice, and grass have fibrous roots. Functions of roots. The main functions of roots are: they hold the plant firmly to the soil. They absorb water and nutrients. Water and nutrients are required by the plant to grow. Roots hold the soil together and prevent it from being washed away during rain. Some roots store surplus amount of food prepared by the plants. We can eat these roots. Some examples are carrot, radish, and turnip. Shoot. The shoot consists of a stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. Stems can be strong or weak. Trees, such as banyan tree, have a thick and strong stem called the trunk. It holds the tree straight and upright. Plants, such as grapevine and pea, have weak stems. Such plants either grow along the ground or need support of other plants, walls, or sticks. Functions of stems. The main functions of stems are: they keep most plants upright. They bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. They carry water and nutrients from roots to leaves. They carry food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Some plants store surplus amount of food prepared by them in the stem. We can eat these stems. Some examples are sugarcane, potato, and ginger. Now leaf. Leaves grow on stems. They are of different shapes and sizes in different plants. Most leaves are green in color. You can see the image of parts of a leaf which shows stalk, leaf blade, midrib, and veins. Now let's see the structure of a leaf. The flat surface of a leaf is called the leaf blade. Many small tubes called veins cover the entire leaf blade. The long tube passing through the middle of the leaf from the tip to the end is called the midrib. A stalk connects the leaf to the stem. Tiny openings on the leaves, known as stomata, help the plant take in and give out air. Let's see the functions of leaves. Most leaves appear green because they contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to absorb sunlight. Green leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. This is why a leaf is known as the kitchen or food factory of the plant. The process by which green leaves prepare food using carbon dioxide, that is, a gas present in the air, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight, is called photosynthesis. Leaves give out a gas called oxygen, which is essential for life. Leaves out leaves of plants store food. Spinach, cabbage, lettuce, and coriander leaves are examples of leaves eaten by human beings. Now, flowers. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet and pleasant smell. Most flowers change into fruits. Most fruits have one or more seeds inside them. Seeds grow into a new plant. Thus, flowers are important to a plant as they help it to reproduce. You can see an image of a flower can change into a fruit and a fruit has seeds inside it. Now, let's see a food. Fruits such as mango and plum have a single seed inside them. Apple, orange, and lemon have a few seeds inside them. Fruits such as papaya and watermelon have many seeds. We eat fruits of many plants. Let's do some questions answer. Write T for true and F for false. First, the part of the plant that usually grow above the soil is called a root. It's a false. The part of the plant that usually grows above the soil is not called as a root. Second, green color of leaves is due to chlorophyll. It's true. Third, leaves give out oxygen. This is true. Now let's see a structure of a seed. The life of a plant starts with the seed. Some seeds are very small, such as grains of sand, while others are as big as a pebble. They can be round or flat. Seeds can be brown, black, green, yellow, or of some other color. The outer covering of seed is called the seed coat, which is generally hard. It protects the seed. The seed has a tiny plant inside it. When the seed gets enough light, air, water, and warmth, that is sunlight, the tiny plant grows out. That is called germination process. It forms the seedling. Seeds also contain seed leaves or cotyledons inside them. In the image of structure of a seed, it shows the outside and inside structure of the seeds, which shows the seed leaves or cotyledon. Where is the cotyledon? Where it store food for the baby plant. Where has a seed coat, which is the seed coat, and the seed coat has a tiny hole. Where is the tiny hole? From where it gets water. So in image there are lot of information. So next, kinds of seeds. There are two kinds of seeds. First, monocot seeds. They have only one thin cotyledon inside. They do not store food inside them. Food is stored in some other part of the seed. For example, maize, rice, and grass. Second, dicot seeds. They have two cotyledons inside them. They are thick and fleshy and store food. For example, pea, bean, and gram seeds. The images shows monocot seed and dicot seed. Next, Let's see a germination process. The image of the germination of a seed shows the germination process. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed germinates into a seedling when it gets the right amount of water, air, warmth, that is sunlight, temperature means the amount of heat or cold, and nutrients. Not all seeds germinate into new plants. Some seeds are eaten up by birds and insects. Some get destroyed by rain or wind. Some seeds do not get the right conditions to germinate. Let's see caring for plants. Plants are very important for the survival of all living things on earth. They supply oxygen, give us fruits and vegetables, oils, spices, and medicines. They also provide us wood. Many animals live in on plants. We should take proper care of plants by following the steps given below. First, sufficient space should be left between plants that are grown in the soil. Second, we should water plants regularly, depending upon their needs. Some plants require more water than others. Third, adequate sunlight should be available to them. Fourth, manure and limited fertilizers should be added to the soil to make it fertile. Fifth, soil should be regularly turned up with a trowel so that it remains porous and oxygen is available to the roots. Sixth, pesticides and fungicides should be sprayed to protect plants from being attacked by insects and other animals. Let's start with a question and answers. Section 1. Name the following. First, the part of the plant that absorb nutrients and water from soil is root. Second, the main part of the shoot is stem. Third, these help the plant to take in air, that is stomata. Fourth, the part of the plant that changes into fruit, that is flower. Fifth, the gas given out by leaves, that is oxygen. Next, choose the correct option. First, the part of the plant generally found below the ground. Options are leaf, root, fruit, and shoot. Correct answer is a B, root. The part of the plant that is root is generally found below the ground. Second, which of these is a function of the root? First option, it changes into flowers. Second, it changes into fruits. Next, it helps the plant to stay fixed into the soil. And last, it makes food. Correct option is the C. It helps the plants to stay fixed into the soil. Third, which of the following has fibrous roots? Options are carrot, rice, mango, and radish. Correct answer is a B. Rice. Rice is a fibrous roots. Rice has a fibrous roots. Fourth, which of the following plant has a taproot? Options are mango, grass, wheat, and rice. Correct answer is A. Mango. Fifth, what is the long tube running through the middle of leaf called? Options are stalk, vein, midrib, and seed. Correct answer is a stalk. Sixth, which of these are needed by a green leaf to make food? Options are chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and all of the above. Answer is the all of the above are important to make food. Next, C. Write T for true and F for false and correct the false statements. First, stomata is present in root. It's false statement. Stomata is present in leaf. Second, spinach leaves store food. It's true. Third, the stem transports water from the leaves to the roots. It's false. The stem transports water from the roots to leaves. Fourth, An apple has a few seeds. It's true statement. Fifth, the gram is a dicot seed. It's a true statement. Now match the following. First, fibrous root with wheat. Second, leaves with kitchen of the plant. Third, stem with bee carry food from leaves to all parts of plants. Fourth, monocot seed with C, maize. Fifth, seed with A grows into new plants. Next, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First, most fruit contain dash, root or seeds. Correct answer is a seed. Most fruits contain seeds. Second, dash is needed for photosynthesis. Options are sunlight or oxygen. Sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. Third, mango has dash seed. One or many? Answer is one. Mango has one seed. Fourth, a grapevine has a weak dash stem or leaf. A grapevine has a weak stem. Fifth, the life of plant starts with dash stalk or seed. A correct answer is the seed. The life of plant starts with seed. Now complete the names of the parts of plant in the space provided. There are two main parts that are root and shoot, which are the parts of plants. Then under root it comes taproot and fibrous root. Under shoot it comes stem, flower, seed, leaf and fruit. Define or explain the following terms. First, chlorophyll. Most leaves appear green because they contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to absorb sunlight. Second, dicot seeds. Seeds have two cotyledons inside them. It's called dicot seeds. They are thick and fleshy and store food. For example, pea, bean and gram seeds. Third, root. Root is part of plant that grows below the ground. There were two types of root. First is taproot, means a taproot is main root that grows into the soil from the base of stem. For example, sunflower, mango. Second, fibrous root. Fibrous roots are a bunch of thin and bushy roots that grows together into the soil from the base of the stem. For example, wheat, rice. Fourth, shoot. The part of the plants grows above the ground is called shoot. It consists of a stem, flower and fruits. Every part of shoot is having its function. Fifth, germination. The process by which is a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed germinates into a seedling when it gets the right amount of air, water, and warmth, temperature, and nutrients. Stomata. Tiny openings on the leaves known as stomata. It helps the plant take in and give out air. Short answer question. First, what is taproot? Answer. The taproot is the main root that grows into the soil from the base of the stem. For example, carrot, radish, sunflower and mango. Second, what makes the leaves green? Answer. Chlorophyll makes the leaves green. Chlorophyll helps leaves to absorb sunlight. Third, define a monocot seed. Seeds that contain only one thin cotyledon inside them is called monocot seed. Fourth question, what gives support to the plant? Answer, stem gives support to the plant. It carries water and food to other parts of plants. Fifth, which part of the plant contains seeds? Answer, fruits is the part of plant that contains seed. A fruit has one or many seeds. Sixth question, what should be done when plants are attacked by insects? Answer, pesticides and fungicides should be done when plants are attacked by insects. Long answer questions. First question, List any three uses of the root and stem. Answer. Three uses of root and stems are: first, root. First use, they hold the plant firmly to the soil. Second use, they absorb water and nutrients. Third use, roots hold the soil together and prevent it from being washed away during rains. Shoot. First use of shoot is they keep most plants upright. Second use of shoot is they bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. Next, they carry water and nutrients from roots to leaves. Second question, name and describe the process of synthesis of food in plants. Answer, the process of synthesis of food in plants are called photosynthesis. Most leaves appear green. Leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to absorb sunlight. Green leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. The process by which green leaves prepare food using carbon dioxide, that is, a gas present in the air, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight. Third question, what are the two kinds of seeds? Describe with suitable diagram. First, there are two types of seeds. First is monocot seeds. Second is dicot seeds. First, monocot seed. Monocot seeds have only one thin cotyledon inside them. They do not store food inside them. Food is stored in some other part of the seed. For example, maize. Dicot seeds. They have two cotyledons inside them. They are thick and fleshy and do not store food. For example, pea. Fourth question, what is germination? Answer, the process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed germinates into a seedling when it gets the right amount of air, water, warmth, that is sunlight, temperature, that is the amount of heat or cold, and nutrients. Fifth question, how will you take care of plants? Answer, we can take care of plants by following way. First, sufficient space should be left between plants that are grown in the soil. Next, we should water plants regularly. Next, adequate sunlight should be available to them. Fourth, soil should be regularly turned up with a trowel so that it remains porous and oxygen is available to the roots. Next, pesticides and fungicides should be sprayed to protect plants from being attacked by insects and other animals. In these ways, you can take care of plants. Picture study. Look at the seed given here and do the following. First, label the outer structure of the seed as A. B. Label the inner structure of the seed as B. C. Number the seed coat as Roman I. D. Number the tiny hole on seed coat through which water enters the seed as 2. E. Number the tiny plant inside the seed as 3. Last, number the seed leaves or cotyledons as 5. All the all the things are mentioned in the image. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications of new video updates.